Okay, I will show you how to use Jupyter Notebook on your computer. So first of all, you need your Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer, or you can go to Python website and download and install it. Just download and just follow the instruction. I have my Python installed on my computer. So let's open a terminal and you can see there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no. I have my Python installed, Python 3.10.11. So, and make sure you have your pip or package manager for Python also installed. And now you can download uh, Jupyter Notebook using package manager or pip. Just type pip install Jupyter. Just wait for the process. And now you should be able to run your Jupyter Notebook. Just type Jupyter Notebook. You need to open up a browser. And here you can see your folder or your disk. You can just open like document, create new notebook. Okay, and you can start code here, like read. Here it is. And you can run the code. Don't forget after running your code, don't close this terminal. If you close the terminal, it also will close the Jupyter notebook. And if you finish coding, you can stop or close or whatever. And also close this terminal by you can click in on this or just Control C. Okay, thank you for watching.